I created a lot of shit that niggas took credit for.
Yo, young boy, what's
but
your
I'm
name,
content
bro?
with that.
How you say your name, young Lucy?
Drive Rolls Royce real fast with a big bang.
So as you guys know, or if you don't know, we at the motherfucking car wash again. Yes, we get a car wash every day. Every single day, y'all. I spend $10 on a car wash. Shit. So 10 days, $100. Fuck, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? We gotta keep this motherfucker clean. You know what I mean? Then they get one every day. But again, you know, I love everybody in the chat right now. You know what I mean? The channel should be monetized by now, so y'all know we gonna schedule that live stream. We gonna try to do a 24-hour live stream. I don't know, but hopefully we can try to do something, and then maybe we can buy a game system or a game, and we can start doing gaming, all type of shit now. But you know, we got the channel monetized now, so y'all finna see me doing 2K shit, FIFA gaming, shit, Madden. Whatever game y'all want me to play, comment right now what game system I should buy and what games I should buy. So if y'all want me to start gaming, comment right now, let me know what game I should buy and what game system I should buy. So yeah guys, I just finished getting the Audi wash, so I think we're gonna hop in the car now. I got the car washed and all pretty. Now I'm finna take it outside and wipe it down, then take it for a drive, and then show y'all what we gonna get into, you know what I mean? More than likely, we probably just gonna drive around, probably look for some nice cars. It's a Tuesday, so we might see something, we might not see nothing. Hopefully I see like a Hellcat or something like that. I'm hoping to see like a Hellcat, maybe a Scat Pack. Nah, not even a Scat Pack, a Hellcat for the most part. I want to race a Hellcat for sure. So if I can see a Hellcat, you know I'm gonna hawk them down if they don't hawk me down for sure. So I know a lot of y'all be wanting to hear my engine rev, so I'm gonna let y'all hear it on the sport mode. It's already in sport, so I'm gonna go ahead and shit. I gotta hurry up and get up out of here. I know they're gonna be mad that I just did that. No cap, they're gonna be mad. So as y'all see, I gave y'all a little something, so I'm still driving, you know what I mean? I can't crash this motherfucker, but hey, I gave y'all better than, or I gave y'all more than what y'all asked for, you know what I mean? It's better than not getting nothing. You see, I'm still driving. I love y'all though, man. Make sure y'all tune into all my episodes. Like I say, I'm be posting a video every day. Even though my channel, I'm still gonna be posting a video every single day. Continue to support. Make sure y'all continue to support, because like I say, shit, if y'all want to hear more of this, let me know.